Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make green bean cake. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 250 grams of split green beans, 100 grams of sugar, and 50 milliliters of cooking oil. Don't forget a pinch of salt and some water for cooking. The crucial first step is to soak your green beans in water for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This softens them perfectly for the next stage. Once your green beans are beautifully soaked, drain them well. Now, you can either steam them for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are very soft, or boil them until tender. The goal is for them to be easily mashed. After cooking, mash the beans thoroughly with a fork, or for a smoother texture, blend them into a fine paste. This forms the base of our delicious cake. Now, let's transform our mashed beans into the delightful filling. Place your mashed green beans in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the 100 grams of sugar and the 50 milliliters of cooking oil. Stir this mixture continuously. You'll notice it gradually thickening. Keep stirring until it forms a firm, non-sticky paste that pulls away from the sides of the pan. This takes patience, but is worth it. With your filling ready, let it cool completely. Once cool, it's time to shape our cakes. Divide the paste into equal portions, perhaps 25 to 30 grams each. You can press these portions into decorative molds for a beautiful presentation, or simply shape them by hand into small, round cakes. Finally, chill your green bean cakes for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade, delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.